What's up, YouTube members? I thought I'd quickly just shoot a video just to give you a bit of insight into what the trading group looks like because there's a few comments are asking, I get a few DMs about it. So just to clarify that so you can really get eyes on what you're actually going to get if you are keen to jump in there. Now, ultimately, it's the wop.com / Greeny hyphen calls / and that'll get you here. It's obviously on all my socials and in the description of these videos, but a lot of it is covered on here already. Essentially, as you can see, this has all of our previous profits, and you could obviously jump into these as well. This is a video for the past couple months, and then obviously these are some from obviously earlier this year. There's a bit here, another video showing you what the education channel looks like, and that's actually has been updated since I recorded that, and I'll show you that very shortly. And again, just some consistently around how consistent we have been with our trading across futures, DeFi, Memecoins, and obviously altcoins and other areas of the market. And we've obviously been doing that for over a year. And it does tell you a little bit about that down below. And there's a few different options too. So this is a month option. Where it's a subscription model. This one over here is obviously if you want to just jump in for a week and check it out. This one is if you want to jump in for a month and check it out. Those are paying with USDC, whereas this one is obviously you can pay with card. And then lastly, if you want to just pay one fee and jump in for life, okay, you can pay the one-time lifetime fee there, and that gets you in for life, one payment only. And ultimately, guys, it's all covered down here. What is in there, as I said before, altcoins, futures, meme coins, DeFi's, NFTs, airdrops, spot, and more. There's obviously over 300 members in there, so bouncing your ideas off people every single day is often the best alpha part of the group. And again, here's some reviews that I'd highly recommend you come and check out. There's over 30 reviews there from members that have been in for months, members that have joined recently, okay, members who are OGs who had to re-sign up via WAP. So again, they obviously have a lot of experience in there. And then there's obviously some common questions down below too. And usually the main one, guys, is can I actually pay in crypto? Now, obviously, if you don't want to pay in USDC and you'd rather pay me mainly in the lifetime option, I do accept Solana or I do accept Ethereum or even just USDT straight to me. Just send me a DM on Twitter at Greeny Trades, and I'll be more than happy to discuss or even negotiate with you around that sort of price and stuff. So let me know, obviously, and obviously being a YouTube member, you guys do get different tiered access to the group, which is obviously in the comment section on the Twitter page for members section only. Now, ultimately, this is what it looks like, guys. Once you come in, there's like a whole brief on starting here, those sorts of things. It just really makes it nice and clear about what all the channels mean and where you can find all the alpha, that type of stuff. As you can see, these are all my trades that I like to share, okay, around specific calls that I like to do. And then lastly, this is all the community. So this is generally where a lot of the business goes on. As you can see, this is just a general chat. And then obviously we have meme coin chat, or leverage or futures. We have NFTs, runes, DeFi, and airdrops. Then we have a bunch of other callers who call in the group as well. They've been very consistent for a long period of time. Again, they were handpicked by me myself because I like the way that they trade and they have a great reputation. Then lastly, guys, a lot of people always ask about this. This is essentially where we have all of our education. So again, there's tutorials in here, there's websites, there's processes, there's tools that we use, okay, there's visuals, and a whole written detailed analysis. As you can see here, relevant conversations around what are important trading strategies for futures, okay, CME, we're just talking about that today, okay, indicators that bookie uses, meme help, okay, as you can see, a range of different things about Bull X, those types of things. So it is extensive, and obviously if you have a question, I respond to it usually within the same day because I always want to make sure that the members are happy. So I hope that just gives you really a quick, clear overview about what you actually get when you join the platform. And obviously just to show you some of the calls we've been printing recently over the past few days. As you can see, we've got these couple of shorts here, a couple of longs as well that we took aggressive profits on. I think we only had one loss. Yeah, Jupiter here was a slight loss. Outside that, we've had a lot of wins over just the last few days. So yeah, let me know. Obviously, if you have any more questions, you can reach out to me either on Twitter, probably is the easiest way, and it's just Greeny Trades, guys. This is my profile here. If I just come to it, Greeny Trades. So yeah, Greeny Trades. Send me a DM there, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions down below as well. Cheers.